Hey guys, welcome to Galaxy Crypto Hub, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the fundamental and technical analysis of a token that has the possibility of doing 100x in the next bull market. Remember, this is not a financial advice but just an educational content. We will be looking at the risks and the reward of this token. So if you haven't joined us on our TikTok channel, you can visit Galaxy Crypto Hub, like and share our video, and also follow us to get daily updates on what is happening in the crypto market. Also, you can follow us on our YouTube channel, Galaxy Crypto Hub. You can click on the like button, watch our videos. If you enjoy it, you can share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. So right here is our YouTube page, currently reloading. Right here is our YouTube page. Our last video on the fundamental and technical analysis of Gala Games project has about 62 views. So let's get down to the business of today. Today we are going to be looking at a project that has the possibility of doing over 100x in the market, and that project is none other than Sandbox. Sandbox. We are going to be using the coin market cap and Binance Research for our fundamental analysis, while we are going to be using TradingView for our fundamental analysis. So we'll simply, on our coin market cap, we'll simply search for the project Sandbox. Sandbox. Okay, so here it is. So Sandbox. Sandbox is currently rated 47 on the coin market cap based on its market capitalization. If you look at the watch list, you can see that about 2,279,294 persons are actually watching Sandbox, which is actually a positive on its side. You can learn about Sandbox on the learn and earn page on the coin market cap. You can learn and also earn. Sandbox price as of today is currently sitting at 0.6103 dollar. It has done 0.21 percent in the past 24 hours. So this is their website, www.sandbox.game. So if you click on it, it will redirect you to their gaming page. It will direct you to their gaming page. It will direct you to their gaming page. If you want to check out for addresses, you have Etherscan, you have Solscan, and you have Polygon Scan. Sandbox is built mainly on the Ethereum blockchain. They have diverse communities such as Sand discussion. You can follow them on Medium, follow them on Twitter. Also, their chats, you can follow them on Discord and also on Telegram. Now let us look at so this is what their page looks like. This is what their page looks like. So if you are interested in playing the game by Sandbox, you can join in. You can simply sign up here and play. Also, they have a white paper. The white paper is a document that gives an overview of the project. So look at this is their white paper, so you can easily click on it. You can easily click on it and it will take you over to their white paper. So this is their white paper. This is the white paper. So as you can see, it is also a what Web3 what token. It is also a what Web3 what token. So you can go, you can actually see what's new on their page. You can learn more. You can mint your avatar from the what Playboy uh, party people collection. So this is how you earn. When you earn, you mint, and then you sell it on their inbuilt markets. So look at their partners. This is also one of the positive of Sandbox. As you can see, Snoop Dogg is one of their partners. Adidas is also one of their what partners. The Moss also. These are what popular what companies in what different part of the world. Even Hell Kitchen is also what part of their what partner. So this is a very big what positive one for what Sandbox. So I've been doing a lot of talking, and I know you guys will be wondering what exactly is what Sandbox. So let us look at what is Sandbox and what actually what makes it what unique and has the what possibility of doing 100 what X. So we are going to be using Binance Research. We'll be looking at the Sandbox. We'll be looking at the Sandbox. So as you can see here, the sandbox is a what virtual world, is a virtual world built on the what Ethereum blockchain where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experience. So basically, one of the key features of the what sandbox project is that it combines both what metaverse and what gaming to give its what participant the greatest experience of what gaming. It is built on the what Ethereum or blockchain. The the current products on the what Sandbox platform include they have a what game maker in which you can what build your 3D games for what free. They also have a what Vox what edit where this will help you to what mint what NFTs and you can import them to the what marketplace. And also they have a marketplace where it is a decentralized marketplace for trading in-game what assets. So when you what mint your what NFT or you get NFT from the game, you can actually what sell it in their what markets. So that is the what basic what information on what sandbox is all about. So there are other what keyword features that make what sandbox unique, like they have over 40 million what downloads across iOS and Android combined. You can what own what NFTs, like I would actually what say. You can what buy land, you can buy land in the what sandbox what universe and build experiences on top of it. So you can virtually what build anything that you want to be. This is one of the things that make what sandbox what special. It does not have a fixed game world. You buy land and you what create and you create your own what world the way you want it to be. So SAND is the what is the what utility what token of what the sandbox what project, and with sand you can easily what buy and also what cash out on your what NFTs. So sandbox has been existent since 2011 and recently what migrated to the what blockchain, which makes it a web 3.0 what token. So that being said, let us look at the what token distribution of sandbox. So all these their marketplace. This is how their marketplace works. You get whatever you want and then you what sell and then you sell. So this is their game maker. You can build your 3D games for what free and all that. Another. So let's look at their token what allocation. So when Binance launched part sale, so 12% was giving us. You have seed sale, 17.18% was giving us strategic sale, 4.0 foundation sale, 12.0 team sale, 19.0 advisors, 10.0 company reserve, 25.0. I personally call this a red flag for the sand project because the company reserve is so much. It's almost a quarter of the token. Why are they holding it? Why isn't it just given out to the what the public. Then their team also has what 19%, which is quite high. So if you combine 19% and 25% that has been given to the team and the company in reserve, is quite high. So this is a what red flag for for the Sandbox project. So the Binance launch happened on August 13, 20 what 20. So let's look at their project. They are the project team. So you have the CEO and the co-founder and CEO at what Pixoa board. So you have Otto Madrid, who is the CEO and co-founder. You have Sebastian Boget. You have Lucas Washuberry. So if you want to keep being updated on the Sandbox project, you can easily what follow these guys on their what various or social what media platforms so that you can actually know what is happening on what the Sandbox what project. You can what follow them on what Twitter. So this is their roadmap. Their roadmap tells you what the plans that is being what installed for Sandbox. So all these ones has already been done. All this has already been done. This is 2020. So you should actually be checking if the ones for 2020 has been well done. So these are other what partners and business development programs. So as you can see, the major one here that is quite familiar with is SBS Game Academy and what the Matic what network. So if you see, they are working in line with what Matic what network to achieve faster transaction and a better UI and UX experience on the what platform. And also you can follow them on their various social media handles. You can follow them on Discord, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and also their blog. And if you see, they have quite a good numbers of members. They have on their Discord, they have 13,000, Facebook 657k, on their Instagram they have 4.9k, on their Twitter they have 9.2k, and so what on. So that is the what basics about so these are the advisors. They are what advisors on the what project. And if you see all this, their appendix, their white paper, land token sales, and all that. So that is the summary of what actually the Sandbox project is what's all about. So let's go back to our coin market cap and see one or two what informations about the what Sandbox project. So their audit has been done by what Cetic, which is one of the most powerful crypto what audits that we have around. So there are tags, there are collectibles and NFT launchpad, metaverse, play to earn. This is one of their key features. You what play and you earn. Also, they have another sponsor here, Animoca Brands portfolio, content creation, gaming, and they are part of the what Ethereum what ecosystem. So let's look at this. So they are ranked with a market cap of $960 million. They are what ranked number what 49 in the world. In the past 24 hours, the volume, the traded the volume, the amount of sandbox that has been traded has reduced by over what 43.75 what percent. Sex volume has been traded at 122 million dollar, while DEX is actually 864,000 what dollar. In circulation, they have what 1.50 billion what sand that is available, which is 50% of its total supply, and the total supply is what 3 billion what sandbox. That is the total amount of sandbox that will whatever what exist in the market. So let's look at some of the comments on what sandbox. So okay, so this comment is talking about a different project. This one also is talking about a different project. So we are not going to read. Okay, let's see other ones. This is also talking about Bitcoin will rise to 30,000 in the okay. That's none of our business. We are talking about box. Is there any comment on some? Okay, Sand Genesis is coming. You come to big next quarter will be with lot of news release back to back. Okay, so I think Sand is maybe doing a partnership with Avalanche or something like that. So gaming coins will pump a lot this Christmas and New Year. So people are saying okay, there are people will be playing a lot of games. So probably it might be bullish this year. So let's look at other things. Sand, they'll release the project. It is bullish. Remember, there are many sand not in the box. So if you want to be part, now would be a right time. Probably one of the best investments, already huge with numerous partners on board, including Gucci. As I told you, Adidas, Snoop is also there. So this is a good one for the Sandward Box project. So someone says sand boring as game, stick to what Konokopi for a game maker, and it's actually what. Okay, so he's telling you to stick to or a different project in. Okay, so that's a bad review there for Sandbox. So Sand FTX Terra had him making Devoco and Line 3 or Tito. Okay, and he's not went, but which coin will be next? Okay, so he's trying to say something else. So that and what that. So let's look at, so this one says Sand is one of the better ecosystem with the Sand business model and what experience. They have also raised over 100 million dollars from investors, and also let's forge into what other things. We have had a good view about what people are saying about the coin. So let's look at markets. Where can you actually what get what Sandbox from? Where can you get Sandbox from? You can buy it on Binance, you can buy on KuCoin, Bottomb, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, and the rest of them. There are so many of them, and if you can see, their confidence and liquidity level is what quite high. Is looking what good. Let's look at we'll be going to, let's go straight to price estimates. Let's go to price estimates. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. Historical data. Okay, yeah, exactly. This is what I'm actually looking for. Is actually what I am looking for. So as you can see, today the price was about 0.016. 2 years ago, it was about 0.04. So 1 year ago, it was $5. We know we have been in the bear market for over 1 year now. So 2 years ago, if you had bought Sandbox 2 years ago, you would have still been in a lot of what profit, even with what recent what drop in the market. So let's look at more info. So let's look at the holders for this coin. They're about, okay, I just need you to go up a little. So they're about 207,080. There are 207,080 what total what addresses for what Sandbox. The active addresses in the past 24 hours are 500 and what 77. The what top holders are what 7. The top 10 holders hold about 7.97 what percent. The top 20 hold about 86.59%. The top 50 holds about 91.8, and the top 100 holds about what 94.2 what 8. So I'm just going to refresh this page. I don't know why. Probably network is giving us a bit of headache, but I'm not going to refresh this page. Then I'm going to come back with it. But let us look a little bit at the word technical analysis. Let us look at the word technical analysis of this word token. Let us see how it did in the what last bear market versus what it is doing what right now. So let's go back. This is okay. This was as of August 2020. It did a drop to about 0.03. So let us say if you had bought Sandbox around 0.04, right about here in the last bull run, let's see how much you would have made. So it moved from 0.04 in where you bought at 2020, and it moved to about, as you can see in the last bull run 2021, it did what $8 all-time high. So let us assume you didn't sell at the highest point. Maybe you sold around maybe $6. So that is 0.04. Let's use our calculator. So you have what 7. Let's open our calculator. We are waiting for the calculator to come up. I think my system is not functioning at its highest or at its best today. So this is what, let's say you sold at $7, right? $7 divided by, you bought at 0.04, so you divide it by 0.04. Let's see what we'll be getting. Over open 175x in the last bull market. So if you do that, let's say you put in $100, you put $100 times 175x, what are we getting? Boom, that is a massive $17,500. Wow, 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 this is amazing, this is fantastic. 175x just by what, investing on the what, sandbox what, project. This is a what, very big positive one. So after that, we have been in the bear market for the past 1 year. So let's assume you want to invest after seeing this what, analysis. You want to invest right here, which is at 0.60. So let's go 0.60. Oh, I closed down our calculator. Let's back up again. Let us bring back our calculator. We'll just have to wait a little bit. Let's bring back our calculator. So this right there will show you the what amount that you could be what, making just by investing presently on the what, on this what, project. Remember, I always say this is not a what, financial what, advice. Do your what, own what, research before what, investigating, before what, putting your what, hard earned what, money on this what, token. So yes, right now, yeah, we'll just wait for our calculator to pop up so we can do our last analysis on what, this what, channel. So let's go. So currently it is at 0.0681, and let us say with an all-time high of about $8. So what we'll be doing, we'll be dividing $8 by 0.6 cents, and we'll be seeing how many x that will what, give us, to show you that if you're buying now from the what, all-time high, what you could be what, making. So you have what, 8 divided by 0.6, that should be giving you about 13x of your money. So if you have $100 and you are going in, you have about 13 what, you have about 1,300. So this is not even the what, bull run. This is just market what, recovery from the what, bull run. You can be making a whooping what, 13x of your money, which is a what, big and a what, very what, positive what, one. Our coin market cap, let us see if it has loaded so we can look at one more thing before we call it a day on the what, sandbox project. So let's go to the overview. Let's get right to the overview. I want to see the the statistics, the price statistics of this word token. I want to see the price statistics of this word token. So even as we are doing this video, it has what, dropped over a what, 0.14 percent. So here it is, sandbox price statistics. So if you can see the past 24 hours, it have done a 0.17% change with a what, all-time 24-hour low of 0.6022 and a 24-hour high of 6.22. So the trading volume, I said it has dropped by 44%. So the market dominance is what, 0.11, and it is ranked what, 47. So let's go down. low, high, volume change and all that. 7 days low, 7 days high. So let's look at the all-time low and the all-time high. So the all-time low 2 years ago was about 0.02 what dollar. So even if if you had invested 2 years ago, you would have still been in 7,000% what gain. That is what really what quite what massive. That is what really quite what massive. So that is it for what today, guys. That is it for what today, guys. So if you think Sandbox is a what good one to what invest in, you can what comment on the what section what on what's on the comment what section. If you like and enjoy our video, you can follow us on our YouTube page, Galaxy Crypto Hub. Click on the what notification bell, like, subscribe, and what also what share. You can follow us on our TikTok page where we give what daily what content. I don't know why this isn't loading. Okay, let me just refresh it. So our YouTube page, this right here that will pop up in some few seconds, is our YouTube page. You can our YouTube page at Galaxy Crypto what Hub. You can what hit on what subscribe button, turn on your what notification what bell, and what follow us, and what so you can enjoy videos on the fundamental and technical analysis on what different projects. Also, you can join our what free what crypto what WhatsApp what group where we will discuss about what the crypto market. On our TikTok, we give what daily what analysis of what is what happening in the what crypto what market. So follow us and get what daily what update. Follow us at what Galaxy Crypto Hub, and also hit on the what like button to watch our videos on a what daily basis. So that will be all for today, guys. Turn off your notification bell so that when I drop the next video of what coin that can do 100x in the what crypto market, you would not be what missing what out. So thank you, guys. See you all later. Don't forget to drop your what comment if Sandbox will be a what good project to what invest in or not. I'll be watching out.